Holly McKhann coming to you from Dana Point today. We just finished this amazing house renovation, my husband and I, and we've entered escrow. It's due to be sold $150,000 over our asking of $2.65 million. Today, I'm going to show you pictures of what it used to look like alongside what it looks like today. I'm going to take you on a tour through the house and show you what today's buyers are looking for and what got us such a premium, besides the great ocean view, but getting the house updated to what today's buyers want. For starters, I want to show you this adorable address plaque. It really sets the tone when you're entering the home to show this house is newer than the 1960s when it was made. Let's go inside and I'm going to show you some more. Look at this gorgeous, super tall front door. It makes such a statement when you come up to the front of the house to see this contemporary door with the black hardware that goes with the black hardware in the rest of the home. We also did some modification to this entryway because before you walked up a whole bunch of narrow steps, and now we put half the steps outside, half the steps inside, and made them have a longer area for you to put your foot on, so it didn't feel so steep and narrow, and it really enhanced the whole look and feel of this entry. As you enter the home, you see two-story ceilings and open concept, which is what today's buyers love. Also, we redid the fireplace, put some fresh new tile on it that is very elegant and understated, and we topped it off with a natural wood mantle. Also understated, very popular. And one thing I did also that I want to show you guys, I'm always careful to remind my husband and the contractors to add a plug for a TV. So we've got that going. You can see the stagers put the little museum wax so it wouldn't tip over. But yes, try and remember if you're gonna maybe have a TV in the future to add the plug for that. Coming over to the kitchen here, we did a built-in refrigerator. Also enhances the value of a home. People really love that. The cabinets we use are called, they look like white oak. They're not white oak, but they're very popular with buyers, as well as this gold hardware. I hear how much people love this gold hardware all the time. They're from Amazon. Anyway, you can get the same gold handles there. Coming over here, we did a custom matching hood that matches a cabinetry, which is a little bit more sleek and contemporary and elevated than just a stainless steel hood. And it's really large because we put a large stove with double oven underneath it, and there's even a griddle. So that is also fun for people to have. Over here in the island, we have stainless steel dishwasher with a trash drawer. Trash drawers were not even around in the 1960s when this house was built, and the whole kitchen has been completely changed as far as location. It used to be in this corner, but it also had countertops going right here. So we rearranged it so we could put this big opening accordion door in it to let lots of light and air in and feel like that true indoor-outdoor living. But finishing up here at the island, we did put in a drawer microwave. These are really cool to get them up away off the counter, and I like them better than the kind that go over the stove. And the importance of the drawer is you're putting food in and out easily, versus I've seen people put regular microwaves and they're down here trying to open it and do the buttons and everything, but that is not as ideal as having the drawer to drop it into. So right down here, we put all kinds of pantries. People love the storage area. If they don't see a pantry with uppers and lowers all combined, they're asking, where do you put food? Where's the pantry? So if you can put pantries full length, that's ideal. The lights with the natural fiber are very popular in the coastal homes in particular. So let me show you guys how this door works. So this door opens all the way up and really adds to that indoor-outdoor California living experience. So as we step outside, you'll see one of the nice appeals of this home is a spectacular view of the valley. Really pretty at night with twinkling lights all over the hills, and we have a view of the ocean. This home already had these beautiful planters in it, which we did turn one of them into a gas fire pit, so somebody could enjoy a little fire pit out here with their view, and we put fresh new sod in. People really appreciate having grass. So many people would like to have grass for kids or pets. So grass is a great thing to enhance the value of your home. So let's go in and continue the tour inside. Now, beyond the kitchen, in our dining area, we added extra storage right here because the kitchen didn't have as much storage as we would have liked. So the big deep drawers are really popular. Soft close is really nice too. And there's plenty of room for it here along with the table. We did matching light fixtures between the table and then the pendants over the island. We did pretty big scale versus something small because in a large space it really enhances all of that. So as you come out of the dining area, you can see that I'm in the lower level of the home. It's a split level home, so there's 3 levels. We did new wrought iron stair rails in a contemporary style. The flat tube steel looks really cool and contemporary. This area could be made into a 5th bedroom. We left the room as it is, kind of a second family room, and nice new window showing the view outside. Once again, lots of light and air. So we left this part of the floor plan exactly as it was. It's actually really nicely set up because you have a private bedroom and bathroom down here. So that's really nice that you've got a separate bedroom, maybe for multi-generational living, very popular. And then we have a bathroom right here to serve it with a walk-in shower. Walk-in showers are great, not that we could have put a tub in here, but it's especially great for people that are worried about, tripping over a tub. We did the matching gold hardware to gold hardware in the bathrooms, and as you come around here, you'll see we have gold trim on the edge of our medicine cabinet too, and gold faucets and gold hardware on the vanities. Gold, 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 gold everywhere. I'm in love with gold right now, so that's what I'm putting in all of our homes that we're renovating. Now we're going to come up to the upper level, so come on up and check out these bedrooms up here. Right here is the primary suite. And one of my favorite things about it is you can see the ocean from the bed. Come on in and check out the view that you get from the bed. There's a private balcony that is newly added. So you can hang out there to have your morning coffee, enjoying your view. And what a bathroom this is. This is really special. It's very spacious, big, huge walk-in shower, which also has an ocean view. If you check that out, you will see the ocean from inside the shower. We added not only a rain shower head, but a wand. So the wand is great for bathing little ones or pets or washing those sandy feet off after the beach. Nice big contemporary soaking tub. I particularly love the rectangular outside edges, gives it that contemporary flair. And once again, we have all gold hardware that's all matching itself. And a little separate toilet room. Over here, there's so much space that the stagers just put this bench, but you could put additional built-in furniture or freestanding furniture either way. And this walk-in closet is also pretty amazing. So we did finish it out with some shelving and drawers and rods. Of course, somebody could do more to it. If it were me, I think I would do some shoe shelves over here, but everyone has different kinds of things for their closets and wardrobe. And oh, what a surprise. You can see the ocean from the closet in your window. We love adding windows to closets to add natural light to the closet, which is so much better than feeling like you're in a cave. Now, sure, it does limit your ability to put a hanging rod or anything over it, but to me, it's well worth it. You could still put additional storage items right below the window and wrap it around on the wall just by my side. So let's go see the other bathroom and 2 other bedrooms. So as you come down into this hallway, we have a hall bath here. And once again, big surprise or not, I have gold bath bars, gold mirrors, gold faucets, and vanity with gold hardware. And in this tub, I love this tile. I have this exact same tile in my home. Also, you can either do it this way so that it makes diamond patterns, or you can make them all go the same direction so it's more of a chevron. But it's got a fun texture with it without being like a loud extreme color. So it's likely it's going to be in style for longer if you don't do like some kind of a bright color. If it's really neutral, and that beige tone is great. So let's go see the other bedrooms. So bedrooms, we don't do too much to change them, but we do always add can lights, and we pre-wire it for a ceiling fan if that's, or a chandelier, you know, whatever the new owner's gonna want. And we do mirrored closet doors, and we haven't talked about the floor, but this floor is called luxury vinyl plank. And I always like to choose flooring that doesn't have a lot of variation in it. If there's a lot of variation, it might have like a zebra stripe look to it. I've definitely seen flooring like that. And we get the joints nice and tight, so it just kind of disappears. It's not anything that's like a big focal point. I mean, I like it when the flooring is just a subtle background piece and not, wow, look at that floor, if there's like a stripe effect. So let's see that last bedroom. And we did new doors too, shaker style doors, so it's got that frame. And we added a window for extra light and air. And would you look at that? You can see the ocean from there too. Whenever there's a nice view opportunity, we're always trying to add windows where it makes sense with the bedroom itself and the structure. So that's it. Thanks for coming on the tour with me today. As always, subscribe for more great videos like this. And if you have any questions, I'd love to help you with buying or selling real estate. My contact info is below. I can help you take an ugly house and make it beautiful. If it's for yourself to live in and you're buying it, or if you're selling it and you want to sell for top dollar, we can come in and spruce your home up and really maximize your sales price. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.